www.simmyideas.com.
My name is Temitayo Tella. I'm a businessman. I have a lot of things I do anyway, but I call myself an idea machine and a development junkie. Well, generally, social media it is a revolution anyway. It's a revolution of how you express yourself. So being social makes it more free or more affordable to get information across several means at a time. Okay, for my brand, I use Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, Google+. Well, I'm just kind of a bit dormant with Google+. I've not been very active on Google+, and also I use LinkedIn as well. For Google+, I've not been really active with it, but at least it adds to my profile. When you check me out online, you'll see all those profiles there. So that's why I still keep them. For me, it's high. Like I said, like I always say, for me, 100%, my business runs 100% on social media. I don't have a signage in my office. My office is located in a residential area. I have 10 staff. I have 3 interns. So, and I've been doing business for 7 years via social media with clients all over the world: Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Well, I look at the past campaigns I did and how I got them, and what I'm selling at that time. It could be shoes, it could be clothes, it could be face cap, it could be something informal, it could be a round neck or something. So even what I'm selling is very expensive. For example, shoes, for a pair of shoes for 30K to most people is expensive, you know. But a pair of clothes for 20K or 15K for them looks more comfortable, affordable. So I could spend more to push out my shoes, and I'm always more strategic with people I sell to. I could pick Lagos, Abuja, Port Harcourt alone to sell my shoes, because I want to believe that those are places we have high net worth people in Nigeria. So those are some indices we look at before I dish out my adverts on social media. Yeah, you know, the person is, let me use the street word, on a long thing, being offline. He's doing himself a disservice. You can't just open a shop and sit down and wait without doing any form of marketing. You're just waiting for referrals. It is not enough. There is so much competition out there that needs you to go and fight to catch your own niche of customers to continue dealing with you. Aside that, those you satisfy, that they recommend you. You just need to go out there and get new clients. You have to market wide and deep. So my advice typically is the person needs to start in whichever way. Just start. Set up a Facebook page. I always advise with a Facebook page, because almost everybody has a Facebook account. Set up a Facebook page. Just set it up. Put your stuff on there and put in some amount of money. Then keep your goods alive. Continue to be constant with it, and over time you're going to hit the necessary sales. If not you, who? If not well, how? If not now, when? That's my favorite emotional quote.
www.simmyideas.com.